Alright. Hey guys, what's up? It's Wesconator the Guy, and yeah, it's already October. I don't even want to begin on how fast time has been moving this year. But yeah, well, October, month of spookiness, so here's a spooky zombie game. Sure, a lot of you have heard of it. It's the Plants vs. Zombies. So you'll probably notice I have labeled myself as Wesconator the Guy 2. It's because I've already played this a little bit a while ago. But I was like, you know what? I'll start anew on a different thing so I can go through the whole thing so we can close that. I don't know why it's open. But alright. I wonder what button we should press. Probably not the one that's flashing. Alright, let's go. I sound a little more off than usual. I'm dealing with my own invasion right now with allergies. But hopefully that will get better. Yeah, I dragged and dropped to start. That's how you can tell I'm a pro at this. Alright. Another one, great. We've already got a great defense, and these zombies are... They're like, we're gonna keep on the grass. And like, gee thanks, it's much easier for me to stop you this way. Put a third one down. And when the zombies aren't walking around, imagine the neighbors walking by just like, why do you have a bunch of plants very much more alive looking than usual? They have eyes, they have mouths, they seem to be very sentient. Okay, I've got a couple trees, but they're not trying to shake my hand or anything. Their branches. Oh, an advertisement. Oh boy. Oh no, new variants this time, it's just more of them. And we get some more space to plant. Put down the ever-necessary sunflower. Put down another one. I don't know, I've seen people sometimes put the sunflowers on the second row and then have like a row of, say, pea shooters or something closest to the house. I don't know, I've always preferred to have my supply closest to the back, so it's more protected. Looking at the weird clouds in the background. Just look like tubes. So I don't know how many people have ever brought this up, but the angle the lawn is at does not seem to line up with the angle of all the plants and zombies. And then the house itself almost seems at an even more different angle. I'll try to draw up a little diagram to show what I'm talking about, but the whole gravity of this doesn't make a lot of sense. So do we ever get like lore on the person who lives here? Because I'm noticing a tricycle right there, so This is a person that, like, has kids, or at least one kid. You gotta wonder what kind of place you're living where all of these zombies look exactly alike. What kind of townspeople did you live with? So why is there a zombie icon on the roof? Okay, there we go. Now they're starting to get smart. I don't know, it seems like the peas have been hitting their bodies. So I'm not sure how a traffic cone placed on top of their heads does it kind of like magnetize all the projectiles to it to take the hits for it. I don't like how the welcome mat is off-center. Yeah, this isn't very fast-paced action, so I'm gonna take time to look around and comment on the composition. Look how wonky that fence is. Like, some of the things are too close together. Comparison. Very good, we can start a second row pretty early. Yeah, I knew it. The cone's coming in the middle, exactly where I haven't placed a second pea shooter. Well, we'll just have to blow it up. You know what? Save the explosives for the end. We can keep those guys at bay for long enough. There's another one. Alright. We're gonna end this nice and quickly. Alright, come on out, everyone. Yep. Nice and easy. We'll get the walnut. Winner of the Best Face Award. Alright, are we gonna get the final part of the yard yet? There we go. The yard is complete. I always like to stay symmetrical with all my planting, but I know sometimes in like fast-paced situations you gotta be very asymmetrical. It's all about survival. Alright, there's gonna be another one coming soon, so there we go. And fire away. Alright. Sun production line is almost complete. I'll plant another shooter though. Yeah, they've been going after my open lanes, so maybe there is a little bit of intelligence in these rotting brains. I feel like they want brains, but they gotta have, like, some brain remains up there. Like, obviously they want to eat fresh ones. Because their rotting brains probably think it's going to help them get smarter. Maybe that's how zombies work. If we play this well enough, we might not even need a walnut. I feel like one pea shooter should be able to weaken this guy. See, it's working. It's working. It's gonna get it. There we go. See, I'm good at this game. I'm good with the basic plants against basic zombies. Alright, no more hats right now. Well, let's boost our attack a bit. We'll make an E. There we go, the E of P. For a good measure. Even though it, of course, won't get these cone heads. Alright, there we go. We'll keep you right here. Just for the fun of it. There we go, the shuffle. Alright, I cut there because there was an ad. Like a full screen ad that took away some precious time. Alright. We'll finish off with this level. Because there's no better way you can end this off. Oh, night's just open. I can't start it already. Okay. But we're gonna start on the best game. Oh, it's David. We will use the shovel to clear the way. We're gonna need an open air. Yes. Why did you put a walnut in my hand, Crazy Dave? Ah. Here we go, the best part of the game, the best music in the game. Okay, maybe not like... It's the most fun song in the game. Well, we'll save the bombs. Alright, we'll use some bombs. That was a miss. How are they rolling so evenly? Look at how lopsided they are, and the way they're rolling, they shouldn't be rolling like that. Choose here. Miscalculated. I'm trying to look at the conveyor belts and then look back at the zombies. There we go. Rack up combos. There we go. It's a huge wave. See if I was able to save up some bombs. Oh, there we go. There's one. Alright, we'll send it this way. It looks like there's a lot of throwing heads up there. Alright. I could just use the shovel and dig the zombie up out of here. And there we go. Yeah. The potato mine. The potato mine is now mine. You know what? I'll leave that in complete silence. Alright. A bonus game? Sure, we'll try a bonus game. Ooh, it's a vase breaker. Oh, I'm not supposed to know that yet. Ooh, a vase breaker. What is vase breaker? No. Gotta open these very carefully. Alright, that was easy. A trophy. Oh, I could play walnut bowling again. Oh no, I have to watch a video for it. Alright, well, I suppose that'll close up for now. I won't only play this in October for Spooks, it'll probably take me a little longer than that, but I figured October's the best time to start this. So yeah, I can see another zombie arm on the right. Alright. Well, that's episode 1. To do more, and I also have the second game, which I have things I want to discuss on it, but we'll get there when we get there. So, thanks for watching. Expect more of this. Maybe some other games too. Alright. See you next time. Bye.